Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today, we'll be doing an update on Earn Pepe and making a 150,000 Pepe coin withdrawal. Let's get started by signing in with our Faucet Pay or C-Wallet email. After you log in, your dashboard is still on the left and your balance is on the top right in the center of your screen. Let's get started by first selecting Faucet on our dashboard and claiming a few coins. Solve the CAPTCHA and your coins should automatically go into your balance. There is no timer on the Faucet. You can claim 1,000 times a day. I'm going to speed up the footage while I make a few claims. After you're done claiming, select PTC. Now view one of the websites until the timer runs out. As you can see, there are plenty of ads to view. You can make a lot of free Pepe this way. Great! Now solve the CAPTCHA and get your reward. When you're done viewing all the ads, you should claim your daily challenges and bonuses. You can also check your coin balances by selecting Wallet on your dashboard. When you're ready to withdraw, select Withdraw on your dashboard. Now choose your coin and select which wallet you prefer. Good job! When you're done, go back to Faucet Pay to make sure you have been paid. As you can see, all my coins have instantly arrived in my wallet. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.